Hey HighLeveler, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how you can send a gift card to a customer in HighLevel. This allows you to issue cards to customers without them ever having to make a payment. This is great for keeping up loyalty and just sending gifts to your customers because you can send them a gift card, they'll get a notification about it, and they don't have to make any purchase or anything. I'll show you how to do this within the gift cards ecosystem. So without further ado, let's dive right in. To get to gift cards, navigate to payments and then go to gift cards at the top right of the payments tab. Now, in order to send a gift card, you do have to actually have a gift card created first. So if you don't have one already, don't worry. You can just create a gift card by clicking the blue create gift card button. And in this process, you'll add things like the gift card name, the description, the expiration date, the redemption process, because it can be a little different depending on your use case. And then you'll include things like the card's artwork, the values, the taxes, things like that. But once you actually have a gift card created, you'll be able to see it in this screen under gift cards, and you'll see a gift card that looks like this. Now, when you haven't issued any out to your customers, you'll see this little 0 under units issued, and in order to issue your first one to a customer, all you have to do is click send. This is one of the main 4 things we can do with our gift cards from this screen, such as editing, selling, making a QR code, and of course sending. Now, when we click send, it will bring us into a 4-step flow. The first thing that we need to do is select our customer. This will pull from our contacts database within the CRM. So once you have found your customer that you're going to send it to, make sure they have at least an email attached to their contact or a phone number that is required in order to send out our gift cards. Then we will click continue in the bottom right. We'll then add in a message. So telling them why we're sending the gift card, what it's for, if there's any special occasion, things like that. And we even have these cute little message suggestions inside of this screen. So we have a little something to brighten your day, enjoy it, take a moment for yourself because you're awesome, all these different fun things that we can use. And if none of these different message suggestions work for us, then what we can do is we can click write using AI. Now, when we click this will immediately write a message for the gift card based on the gift card title. So this is a holiday gift card that we're sending to our recipients. And then it immediately writes us a little AI message for our customers. So whenever you're making your gift card, be intentional about the title and the description because it'll make the entire process a little bit easier if you want to use AI whenever you are crafting different parts of the gift card, especially when you're sending it to a customer. So you can then click copy here, and then just come back here and click paste, and then there is our description for our customer. So next we'll move on to step 3, and this is when we can select our delivery options. So how much we're going to actually be sending in the gift card's value and how we're going to send it. First, we can select our value from one of the denominations that were originally added whenever we created the gift card. With this gift card, we added a $10, $25, $50, and a $5,000 option when creating. So those are our options to select whenever we are sending it. We'll select one of those, and then we can select our delivery method. Now, this is why it is necessary to have an email or a phone number attached to the contact because we're either going to email the card to them or text it to them, and I'll show you what those look like. We have our 4 options. One is a simple email with the code to the gift card. One is a simple text, which is just a gift card message through a text message. The next one is a QR code via email, and the last one is a PDF via email. Then also at the bottom of this screen, we can select our delivery date. So if we want to deliver the gift card on a specific day, like a holiday or the recipient's birthday, something like that, then we can select when this is actually going to go out, and the system will save it and then send it out at the right time. Now let's check out each one of these delivery methods. So the simple email method looks something like this. This is what the email preview looks like. It has the message, it has the gift card code, it has the terms and conditions, and everything that you need in order to send out this gift card. Now, the SMS message will look something like this, in which it is a text with some emojis, the code, the message you have, and then the terms and conditions similarly. Then we have the QR code option via email. This is what the email with the QR code looks like. So they can either scan the QR code or click it to open up the link. Or we can select the last option, which is a PDF via email, which sends them an email with the attached PDF, just like that. And that's what the PDF looks like. Now, once you've selected one of these delivery methods, all you have to do is click send gift card, and this will send the gift card to the customer. Now, if this is the first gift card that you've sent, you'll now see a new screen called orders. We originally were looking at our all gift card screen, which is where we can see that we've issued that one gift card and we actually sent it in the first place. But now we have our orders screen, which this will load up this gift card that we just sent to our customer. You can see the denomination, you can see the contact right here, and this will load up all gift cards that we've sent to our customers inside of this screen. Now, if we want to view more information about the specific gift card that we sent, we can click the order and it will bring up the gift card order along with the order number. This is order number 1 since it's the first gift card we've sent. It will then show who sent the gift card, the email of the contact that received the gift card code right here, the delivery method, and when it is scheduled to go out, the details of the gift card, including the price, the title, the description, and the graphic. And of course, if we need to see the gift card code, we can toggle on see gift card code and it will show the gift card code on this screen. But just like that, this has now been emailed or texted to the customer in the way that you selected via the delivery methods. And now our customer will have access to use this gift card on our store or wherever we have given them access to redeem it on. This is a great way to give customers access to a little gift, to boost some loyalty, to give back to your customers using this fun part of the HighLevel ecosystem within payments. If you have any questions about how to send or issue a gift card to a customer, feel free to refer to the help doc or drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.